Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal and consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to talk to you about two essentials oil which I'm using from past 2 to 3 months, and this one is from the brand Elansa. The first one is Jasmine Absolute and the second one is Geranium. I'll talk about them one by one. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first one which I'm going to talk about is Elansa 100% pure essential oil Jasmine Absolute. Now this essential oil is known for its sensual and floral fragrance. Among the two, I'll say I'm a little bit biased towards this because I love jasmine fragrance, and it is very difficult to get a jasmine essential oil because it is extremely expensive. The ingredients of this oil is Jasmine Absolute 10% and jojoba cold pressed oil is 90%. It is made in India, it is not tested on animal, it is 100% vegan, which is always a yay for me. And the price of this one is 449 rupees for 15 ml. Now once you open the box, the oil comes into a glass bottle like this in order to prevent oxidization, and there is a dropper as well. However, I don't use a dropper because there is a plastic lid with an opening, so there is a good control of oil once you want to drop it. I'll just show you. As you guys can see, there's no need of using a dropper. However, they give it, which is always a good thing. Now let's just talk about the benefits of jasmine oil. Since it is a sensual fragrance and it's raining, so sometimes your room may stink a little bit because of the wet clothes. Now I would suggest you to add 2 to 3 drops into your diffuser and the whole room will smell romantic. Your husband will be happy, probably your boyfriend as well. Second usage is that if you have a nausea while traveling and you are feeling a little bit low and feeling like to puke, what you can do is that just put 2 to 3 drops in between your palm and rub it up, and trust me, instantly your mood will get lifted. It is great for the people who travels in car and actually don't like traveling and they puke a lot, so this oil is great. And what you can do is that you can just open the bottle and just smell it like this also. It will really instantly boost up your mood. Now usage number 3 is that you can use this as a cupboard freshener. All you have to do is that add few drops into a cotton ball, keep between your clothes, and the moment you will open the cupboard, you can feel the freshness and your clothes won't stink, especially during rainy season. Usage number 4 is that since jasmine is known for its balancing, anti-aging and healing properties, so what you can do is that just add 8 to 10 drops into a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, whatever you are comfortable with, and massage it onto your body, hair, scalp, and you will feel amazing. You will feel so relaxed after using it. Now coming towards usage number 5, as I told you that jasmine has anti-aging property, all you have to do is that add 2 to 3 drops into your night cream and you will see a difference since it has an anti-aging property, so those wrinkles will be gone. Now coming towards usage number 6, it is meant for only oily scalp people. All you have to do is that add few drops to your shampoo and it will help to balance the oil on your scalp. That's it with the usage of jasmine oil. Now let's just head towards geranium. So the packaging is just similar to the previous one, and even this one comes with a dropper. However, similar to the previous one, I don't use it since it has a lid with an opening, so you have a good control of an oil. Now I like the color of this one, and the best thing about this is that it is a sweet rosy. It has a fragrance of sweet rosy and minty at the same time, which is very difficult to get a sweet fragrance at the same time. It has to be minty. Now before talking about the benefits, the price of this one is similar to the previous one, that is 449 rupees for 15 ml, and this is how the product looks. Now let's just talk about the usage of geranium oil. Talking about the first 2 uses, it can be used in a diffuser oil, and apart from that you can just use it as a cupboard freshener. As I shared before, that you just have to add few drops into a cotton ball and keep it into your cupboard. Now talking about the third usage, it has a great stress relief property. All you have to do is that take 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, add few drops like 8 to 10 drops of geranium oil and massage it onto your lower abdominal, and it will give you instant relief. Now talking about the usage number 4, if you don't like the fragrance of jasmine, you can just use geranium because even it has anti-wrinkle property, and so many creams, anti-aging creams and all has geranium because of its anti-aging property, so you can use this into your night cream. Now, talking about one of the most important usage of geranium is that it is great to give you relief during menopause and PMS. All you have to do is that take 10 ml of any carrier oil, add few drops of geranium oil and massage it. The fragrance is so soothing that it will relax you and uplift your mood, because we all know that during PMS our mood swings are too extreme. You will agree. So this product will really help you. Now, talking about the sixth usage, it is a hair saver. All you have to do is that add few drops either into your oil or shampoo or conditioner, and it will result into a very healthier hair. So we are done with the review. If you'll ask me one preference, then Jasmine is definitely one of my favorite. Now, why I would recommend you Elansa is that it's because they are 100% natural, 100% vegan and 100% biodegradable, and moreover that 100% cruelty free. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do thumbs up and let me know if you want me to review any particular essential oil. I would be glad to do that. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. At the last I'll say, take care and stay pretty. By the way, in case you people are wondering what's on my lips, then that's Sephora lipstick in the shade number 31.